Good morning. Sunday, June 13, 2010. A very dreary day out, but not raining. But guess what? The ones that run the Nantasket Beach car show decided not to push the show off another week. And we're going down there with the 64. Of course, first I gotta clear out all these dryer sheets. But yeah, show's on apparently. Probably won't be as much of a turnout, but we'll see. You hear funny noises. Lights still in the car? Doesn't surprise me. Backing up. It's not raining right now. It's still wet out from yesterday, raining. Supposedly there is a chance of rain, but it's not raining right now. So, car swept off with the only car dust I have, with the 66, and we're going. See you there.